What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WideBody Nation. I know this is probably like the 69th video you've watched on exhaust, but I'm going to address titanium versus stainless steel once and for all, because after about 10 years of car ownership, performance car ownership, anything from the C8 right here to my wife's RAV4 to multiple Subaru STIs to Hellcats to Supras to Raptors, I think I finally figured out for me what works, and hopefully for you. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. But this is gonna be a real down and dirty video. It's like 1 in the morning right now. I'm working in the garage, and here's the deal. I've got one side on the Corvette with a titanium straight pipe exhaust. The other side is a stainless steel. I have the opposite sides here for you guys, and we're gonna actually look at them very closely. Now, like I said, I am basing this information off of all the exhausts I've personally installed, heard about, worked with, and I've done titanium and stainless steel for both my Subarus and the Corvette. So I have personally owned titanium and stainless on multiple cars, and unfortunately there's kind of a trend that's been going on. So these are the Top Speed Pro 1 straight pipes, and they are a thing of beauty, that's for sure. This is the titanium one. I mean, this thing weighs all of 6 pounds. Literally weighs nothing. This one is for that side of the car. I just took this one off. Now, why is it off the car? Because it looks so dope. Why don't I want a titanium lightweight exhaust on there? Well, whether it's me, my crazy driving apparently, or whether it's because I'm running, you know, aftermarket headers and cats, who knows? Because we got the headers down in here. Here, let me get the phone out for you guys. But you know, whether it's me, whether it's the product, I don't know. There's our headers right here. We got our Stainless Works headers. We got our Cook's cats right here. Because as you guys know, we are doing the twin turbo kit very, very soon. I believe the turbos from Precision are the only things we need left. Anyway, whether it is my driving, whether it's the product, whether it is mods I have, whether it's the track use, whatever, the welds and some of these parts are failing. This is no longer the same color because they actually already repaired that, because these, I guess you call them flex joints, already broke. And folks, that's kind of where I'm at with titanium. It's so light, it looks so good, sounds so good, but it's just not that durable. I crashed my first Subaru STI with a
stainless steel
exhaust, the Invidia N1 Race. I crashed in a field of boulders, and all the BBS wheels were trash, all the suspension, everything under the car was garbage, just ate up, except for that titanium exhaust. So we have the same product right here, except it's in stainless steel. Now this probably weighs about double. I'd say that's probably close to 15 pounds. Probably a little less. Same flange, because that's for the left side. We got the titanium burnt tips look on there. Only one hanger, which is a gripe of mine. Flex joint, a different style flex joint though. You guys can see it's kind of the older style versus, I guess, the newer style. For context, this is the stock exhaust, folks. This thing is literally over 100 pounds. I'm actually bringing it to car shows for people to just basically freak out on how stinking heavy this thing is. But I mean, that's not even fully stainless. That thing is aluminum garbage alloy, a lot of crap there. But I've been super careful installing this new stainless version. I put a towel down so we don't hit any of the cross members, don't hit the subframe. We are lining it up right now. I still gotta tighten up both the joint up there. Let me see if you guys can see it. Yeah, you should be able to. And then we got to tighten up the exhaust hanger right here. Now, technically, you're supposed to take the bumper off when you do this, but I took 90% of the screws out, and then boom, you can just pull the bumper out far enough to slip it up under and in. So we're gonna have to connect it from up here, and then we're gonna have to connect it from down there. So long story short, if you're considering getting a titanium exhaust, or whether it's custom, whether it is whatever it may be, mass produced, custom, whatever, if you're planning on driving your car, if it's going to be outside, if it's going to be, you know, not garage kept, if it's going to be raced, I mean, I feel like there's a reason that most people's big twin turbo LS cars, their Hellcats, most of the stuff on there is stainless, just because you can have a thicker gauge. It doesn't cost that much money if it breaks. And I tell you what, I love the titanium. Top Speed Pro 1 has been great. They've been fixing it for me. They sent me this new stainless one. I'm sending them the titanium one back. No issue there. I recommend this exhaust because I'll do another video, or maybe I'll toss it in the morning when I'm heading out to the car meet, a ripper of me heading out. But just durability wise, guys, titanium is a risk. So I currently have the Invidia N1 Street with the resonator on my Subaru S209 that I just had a bunch of work done to. It's gonna be run on E85 the next time you guys see it. And I'm probably just gonna stick with that because I actually had the opportunity to put a Tomei on it, a Tomei titanium. And honestly, that Tomei is already failing in certain spots and it's missing a couple, I mean, I don't know. Titanium, a lot of upkeep. Like I said, if it's a show car or if it's a garage queen or a trailer queen, then yeah, but if you're racing, if you're outside a lot, if you're driving a lot of miles, I would go with the stainless. So just a quick look at these again. This is just what came off the car. This is what's going on the left side. I already did the right side. Pretty simple, just a flex joint. And then, you know, straight pipe out. That's pretty much all she wrote there, folks. I mean, I'll show you up in here on the left side with the titanium, kind of see a little better. But there you go. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. It's a real informal video. I just wanted to get a, you know, video out there on exhaust for you guys. I'm not the best, you know, cinematographer, photographer as far as these install videos goes. So if you want, you know, for the C8, Motoroso has a great exhaust install video. So check that out, I'll link that. If you guys need any parts for your C8, I highly recommend going through Alex at Motoroso, motoroso.com. He's the one who hooked me up with the big brake kits, the wheels, and some other things. So with that being said, just wanted to give you a real down and dirty opinion. Again, it's just my opinion. Again, it's no hard feelings on any companies. Most of these companies have been great to me. It's just that you know, between my mods, my unique use, and my driving style, I guess, you know, some products are not meant for that, or not really meant for that. But appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on your way out. I'll toss you guys some exhaust clips on the way out. I'll see you for the next video.